President of BJP Manipur Pradesh A. Sarda Devi condemned the merciless killing of two innocent students, Linthoingambi and Hemanjit, by Kuki militants in the strongest terms and appealed security forces not to take excess action against their students. She said this during a press meet held at the party office at Nityai Pachuthek today. Vice Premananda also attended the press meet. Sarda further said, killing of innocent two students is very unfortunate. BJP Manipur Pradesh also shares deep sorrow of the bereaved family. On the other hand, the security forces' action against the student yesterday was very unfortunate. Such acts should not be taken against the students. She appealed to the authority concerned not to repeat such act. Moreover, she drew the attention of the authority concerned to take up necessary action against those perpetrators who are involved in the killing of the two students.
Photosi viral oirakpadagi ekogi pendraba satra kaya amana thoglaktana ekogi kholau kaya laudana ngarang dagi chatharaiba khongjang sidasu koina appeal tawningbasi adugumba forcing security forcing kaising makoina action tawbada yamna ka henba action si masi tawdananabagi appeal lamasu ekoi Bharatiya Janata Party ki side ki thami madudi kaino habada ko hi satra sing pen da mayam ama adugumba chahi nauriba angang ani jugi uriba saktam duda aikogi kari haina satra sing da feel tawang da gi habase masini aikoda su yam feel taw aduga magi imung manung da leiriba imung manung gi pen da ba awa ba nungai da ba masi atuki matik ekoi nungai da badu ekoi su share taw gi habadu